Okay, so now that we have our keychain, we're all ready to go. I just want to check one thing, and I would appreciate you guys if you would do this. We're going to check the size to make sure it's not too big, it's not too small. Excuse me, not too small. We click on ruler in the top right corner, or drag it over, and I'm going to set it at the corner of the keychain. Bring it down just a little bit. And when I click on my keychain, I'm going to see that it's 72 millimeters, which is perfect. Anywhere between 68 to 75 millimeters would be between like 3.5 to 4 inches, so that's perfect. All right, I'm going to dismiss the ruler. Okay, we are going to click this button in the top right corner. It says export. Give it a click. Here, this is already clicked for me, probably for you too. We want to include everything in the design. We are not selecting different shapes. We just want everything in the design. This is the most important part here. I need you to click on this. So for 3D print, it needs to be an STL. If you do not click this one, it will not work. So please click on that. In the down left hand corner here, you see it downloading. Once it's done, you'll go to your Gmail. You will email me a copy. So put in my email address. Subject, put your name. Put like your first and last name. Okay, and then reminder just to attach a file. We click the little paper clip, and then you will go to your downloads, and then you just have to find it. It would be excuse me, your name. I'll just type mine in there, right there. Emily Henry keychain. And if I scroll down, it should have a picture of your keychain. Yep, right there. And I'm going to click on open and then hit send, and I will have your keychain, and I will print it as soon as possible. Oh, one more thing. I almost forgot about this. Okay, you do have an option of what color of filament you want your keychain printed in. Your choices are orange, purple, yellow, red, black, or gray. I can't guarantee the color that you want, but I'll do my absolute best. So let's say I want this purple for Mrs. LaDawn. I would just type the purple in there and then hit send, and I will know what color to print it. Okay, cool. Thank you.